Is watching me. It's my anxiety. I just really
How was your shower, Bubba? Was good? Then came running right to me to make sure I saw.
Okay. Did you fall in?